what's up, everybody? We're back again. Today we got something really special. So, you know we've had, or if you've been paying attention to the videos, you know we've had a lot of squeaking issues with the Valkyrie V. We replaced the tensioner, didn't fix it. Pulleys, didn't fix it. Hub, didn't fix it. Isolator, didn't fix it. We rebuilt the snout, no good. The 110 idler, didn't fix it. Basically, pretty sure that either when I rebuilt the snout, I screwed something up, or the case bearings are gone in the blower, so we have to get the blower rebuilt. Well, we're not just going to rebuild it. We're sending it out to Kong, and we're going to have Kong port the blower. So we're going to have full ported blower on the car, and if we're going to do that, we might as well do some other stuff. So
I'm not sure what's in this. This might be injectors. We have a...
We should. Please do not cut yourself.
Safety first.
Safety first is you're using a freaking sheetrock knife to do box opening. But are you qualified to open that box?
Probably not. Oh, for heaven's sake.
Did you just censor yourself?
I did.
Yeah, don't do that. I'll just put a beep on video or something like that. It just, for heaven's sake, that just doesn't sound like you at all.
It's not me.
For anybody that's met my wife in person, you know that her mouth is worse than anybody else's.
Jesus.
The title of this video is going to be Sharon Struggles with a Box.
Whoop! Injectors. Fuel injection.
Ooh, those are nice. Alright, so those are the 1200cc matched. Yeah, alright. Those are perfect.
Cool.
So we got new injectors to go with it. So let's see what's in. Didn't make the garbage can.
This should be the DSX auxiliary pump for E85.
No, it's not just for E85, it's just more fuel. We are going to be tuning it on E85. Is that it?
That is it.
That's the pump and the filter.
We have some lines with AN fittings. Right? Those are AN fittings. Some brackets and thingamajiggies.
Thingamajiggies, that's a very technical
It's a very
term.
technical term. We have the...
Drill and tap kit. That's for drilling. Oh yeah, it's good. Drill and tap the fitting into the tank. So there's the drill and tap kit that's optional that you can get. We obviously got it to make it easier.
And then this is, I'm assuming, the wiring harness.
Yep. And is that the hob switch? Yeah, it's wiring harness, the controller, or hob switch, I guess, whatever you want to call it. Does it have instructions in there?
There is instructions in the bottom.
Thank you, Brent, from Weapon X. Now the big box.
Let's see.
This has a lot of tape. This could take a while.
It's got staples too. So.
Oh, God. You opening the right side of it? It's upside down?
Is it upside down?
Is there an upside down?
Well, someone put it on the table. I assume they would put it on the right way.
The funny thing is when you realize it doesn't matter what upside down or right side up is.
Drum roll?
No.
No?
No. We're not doing that.
Not doing a Clark Griswold thing?
No.
Paper. Ooh, that's lots of hose. I got lots of hose. Ooh, look how clean and shiny.
That doesn't have oil in it? I'm just sitting here hoping it doesn't get dropped. Nice.
A milled ZL1 lid for the CTSV.
Reinforced.
brick.
Yep. Yep, there's the reinforcement. So that's the reinforcement on the bricks right there. This is the end tank that collapses in. this is the manifold that I was talking about.
It's a much bigger lid, it seems like.
It's definitely a little bit bigger. I believe it has a little bit more. I believe it does have more volume in it than. The stock CTSV lid. So we've got all those parts. We've also got a flex fuel kit that we're going to be putting on there. And the point, you can put that down.
I don't want
to. You don't want to? So we're going to do a little bit. I'm going to also take out the hard lines. We're taking out the hard lines, right? For the.
You said you were rerouting the hard lines for the heat exchanger and the ice tank and making it all nice and nice.
Yeah, it's tough in there, but all right. So let's get to it. Last piece of the puzzle just came in to finish the car. Where we last left off, we had taken everything apart. And now Sharon's got a little present from Kong Performance.
Watch out for flying staples. Ooh, it looks so pretty already. It stinks too. This stuff stinks. Whew. It's definitely corded.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh my. I'll take a better video of that, but that's a Kong CNC port. And there's the old, yeah, he did put the new isolator on it, or that new hub. Yeah, this one definitely has been pulled off before. Let's see. It definitely looks like it's been worked on. I'll have to take it out and kind of really see it. Everything looks fine in there.
You don't belong in there.
Well, next thing to do is put it on.
on the street charge penalty. 10:06 street charge.
I forgot to move my seat up, so there was one my foot came off once, but
How'd it feel?
it felt good. It was definitely faster. Shift definitely was harder.
Shifted through all the gears, though.
Yeah.
It looked like a good run.
Yeah, I mean, it felt good. It was fast.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know what I did. I mean,
it wasn't your fastest, but for having your foot come up off the throttle and rolling into it and getting a 2.0 60 foot instead of your usual 1.7 60 foot, I'd say doing 11.8. Not bad.
yeah, it's an awful 60 foot.
Yeah.
But I was just rolling into it.
So we'll see what happens next time.
126. That's my highest mile per hour.
Is it really?
Personal best. 123 was the highest.
All right. Well, let's see what we can do, because I guarantee it's going to go a little faster. Because we didn't have your IAT2s down. You were down at, well, you were at what, 107 when you took off?
107, yeah.
Yeah, so
We're
we're
at
gonna
120 something there.
Yeah, we're gonna lower them down to about probably 80. So that should help on the top end. But let's see what we can do.